Welcome to the Passionate Roaditor, TPR, where we stay on the road to keep you safe on the road. Every once in a while you come across a video that makes you go like, where? Check this out. As the video begins, you can see three vehicles behind a trailer. One of them is on the left side shoulder of the highway, perhaps looking for an opportunity to overlap, that is, to overtake illegally on the shoulder. As soon as an opportunity to overtake arises, the first car pulls out. So does the car with the camera. The Subaru Forester that was driving on the shoulder of the road then sweeps erratically to the right to overtake the trailer. It's clear that the driver of the Forester began overtaking without checking to see if there was an oncoming car, or if there was a sufficient gap to overtake safely. It seems like the driver was attempting to prove a point by not being left behind. Unfortunately, overtaking blindly puts the car on the path of a head-on collision with a trailer. The driver thinks and acts quickly and swerves towards the right, narrowly avoiding a head-on crash. In this scenario, the driver of the smaller car is incredibly fortunate that the oncoming trailer driver did not make an attempt to avoid the collision by swerving to the right of the screen, which will be the driver's left. It's a heart-stopping moment which fortunately ends without anyone getting hurt. The vehicle with the camera had also switched lanes to overtake the Mark X, only to witness the oncoming trailer approaching at speed. TPR wishes to salute the driver of the Mark X, who gently eased to the shoulder to provide space for the car with the camera to avoid a potential head-on collision with the oncoming trailer. The driver of the flatbed trailer, which was being overtaken, is also to be commended. As the Forester avoids the collision with the oncoming truck, the trailer driver on the left gently eases towards the left to provide space for the overtaking car, only to realize that it is passing on the right side shoulder of the road. TPR believes that the drivers involved in this video were racing, which explains the impatience of the Forester driver, who was driving on the left shoulder, and the conspicuous tailgating. Thankfully, there were no injuries nor fatalities from this incident, but there is no guarantee that a repeat of the same maneuver by the Forester driver will get him out of the same predicament in one piece. Like, share and subscribe to TPR to promote road safety and reduce the number of deaths on our roads.